Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Pen. Now, the day of recording this is a Friday, and often on Fridays we go traditional with fish, and today we're doing just that. And Steve's got squid, he's got that already, and I'm having a salmon and asparagus pasta dish. So I've got things boiling away or bubbling away on the stove right now on the hob, and I'll just show you what I've got. So I've got my piece of salmon that I have poached. I poached it in the bag that I froze it in. I've got some asparagus tips that I've halved and cut in half. I've got some lemon zest and parsley. I've got a lemon there ready to squeeze some lemon in. Then that's hot. Then I've got some cream cheese and I've got some cream. I've got a little bit of Dijon mustard, and of course we need pasta. Now I went across to Lidl's and it's Italian week, and I saw this and I thought, I thought that'll be nice. So I have some farfalle with lemon. Farfalle is butterflies or bows, and I just thought it looks really good and hopefully it will taste beautiful. So my fish is poached, my fish is cooked. Let's move you and show you everything else we're going to do. Gloves on. Right then, I've got the water that I poached the pasta in, and it's just simmering away there. And I'm going to add the asparagus for just 2 minutes. And how do I know it's going to be for just 2 minutes? Well, I can time it using this. That's it, just 2 minutes. Then I want to bring my pot of salted water, lots of water, lots of salt. The water that you cook your pasta in, according to the Italians, should taste like the sea. So that's got a good amount of salt in the water, and as you can hopefully see, it really is boiling now. So I'm going to go in. Right, that will be enough, and that I think I will cook for 10 minutes. Right, okay. Not a lot more I can do for the time being, except say, don't put oil in your pasta water. It doesn't do anything, it just sits a film of oil on the top. Doesn't stop it sticking. Absolutely pointless exercise. It really, really is. So I'm going to now flake my fish. This is why I've got the gloves on and why it makes everything such a pain, because obviously I've still got my wrist supports on. So, can you see? Here we go. So I'm just going to take the fish off of the skin. In this instance I don't want or need the skin, and I'm just going to still warm because obviously I've not long done it. There's the skin, go on the board, and just flake the rest of my fish like so. Right, that's my 2 minutes are up. So let's take out the asparagus. Asparagus out, and I'm going to run it under cold water to stop the cooking. This has just had water in it, so all I'm going to do is just wipe it out, put it back on, only go on a low heat, and we'll add in some double cream. And just get that heating through. That's started to heat up, we'll be back. Right, my cream is heating up, as you can see. So I'm going to go in with a good spoonful of the cream cheese. Don't have to use the branded ones. Shop's own brands are every bit as good, if not the same. That's good, they'd be the same. If not, better. I could have bought a flavoured one, but I find that the plain one, it's more versatile, obviously. So again, we're just going to let that melt in. I'm going to go in with a little bit, if I can open it, of Dijon. And I can't do it, so I'm going to have to come back. Right then, pasta is cooked. So I'm not draining it, I'm just going to put it into the same pot with everything. I probably did too much pasta. Do you do that? Do you cook too much pasta? Please tell me it's not just me. And I'm just going to stir it through so it gets coated in the sauce, and by not draining the pasta, obviously, it's added more to the sauce. And then we just want to add some lemon juice, just to give a little bit of a zing. And then we can serve, and we'll top it with more of the lovely lemon and parsley. So I'll get this served up, and then we can taste. Right then, we're dished up, we're cooked. Doesn't take long at all, looks absolutely delicious, but I'm biased because I know I like it. So let's get some of the pasta, some of the salmon, and we'll get some of the lemon and parsley on it as well. There we go. Plenty of sauce. There we go, we've got some asparagus now, and some pasta and some salmon, so that's the whole lot on there. It's relative, isn't it? It's what you like. So I've just put a little touch more of pepper, and I'm going to go in with a little more lemon juice. And give that a little bit of a stir. And here we go again. Yeah, that's better. So, how easy was that? Salmon and asparagus pasta. Don't have double cream, use all cream cheese, and vice versa. But I could have put some spinach through this as well, but this is absolutely yummy. So all that remains is to say thank you for watching this episode of In the Kitchen with Pen. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. It really is important that, you know, if you like us, you let us know, because then we get out to more people. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again very soon in the kitchen with Pen. Bye for now.